Hey guys, we're so excited to show you these magnetic blocks. You're gonna get 120 pieces in this set. And like I said, they are magnetic, so they stick together really, really nice and strong. They've got great vibrant colors in them. Great STEM educational toy for their reflexes and imagination, creativity. My 8-year-old absolutely loves this set. It is definitely a great gift, Christmas, birthdays, or just because, even in a classroom, this would be a really nice set. They're going to get a little guide here. It shows kind of an idea of what they can do, as well as we're just kind of making some shapes and some little scenes off of the box, but also they can create their own scenes. It comes with a nice bag, so that way when you're done playing, you can store them away nicely. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.